Introducing and demonstrating measuring tools for carpentry and maintenance. TLS 7 Quarter 4 Task 2. Tape measure. The tape measure is a long retractable aluminum meter. Carpenters use the tape measure in every step of the project, from planning to building. It's not only used to measure parts or wood pieces, but also the area where the final product is supposed to fit. Tri-square. Constructed like a framing square. The tri-square is smaller in size. It has a metal blade fixed on a wooden handle. The purpose of the wooden handle is to serve as a lip on either side of the blade. This way, the wood rests comfortably on the workpiece. Sprit level is a device that helps you to know how to level a surface is. It is particularly useful while installing cabinets, counters, and tables. The bubble in the tube of liquid, usually spirit, needs to be the center to indicate a level surface. After using the different measuring tools, clean it first by wiping any cloth and keep it in a safe place of storage you want to put into.